Hello, I want to talk to you today about servicing your portable air compressor. Nowadays, just about everybody has a small air compressor. Some of them are oil-free, but there are still models that require oil. I'm an independent Amsoil dealer, and this is one of their products. That comes in quart bottles. There's two grades available. There's a 20 weight and a 40 weight. Most air compressors require a 30 weight. If you don't know what kind of oil to buy, they usually require non-detergent oil. You can buy it at any auto store. However, the products made by Amsoil last much longer than the manufacturer even suggests. The last one I purchased held about 6 ounces of oil, which these compressors run very hot when you're pushing them. Just about everybody that owns one pushes them more than they were intended to operate at. Generally, a 20% duty cycle is normal, but a lot of contractors will run them to 80% for up to 3 hours when they have work to do. The compressor oil made by Amsoil does not emulsify with water, which is a good thing. That allows you to drain any condensation out of the bottom. Regular oil mixes with the oil and then promotes rust. This particular bottle here is 40 weight, and they're claiming that it is good for up to 8,000 hours. It just depends, but typically someone's going to want to change it fairly frequently. Otherwise, they'll have to do oil analysis. I purchased a new compressor a while back, and I put 30 weight non-detergent oil in it, just some I purchased from the hardware store. And after it sit around in the container for a while, first I run the compressor 30 minutes in 10-minute intervals to do a break-in to flush any metal flakes out from the finely honed surfaces. After it sit around for a while, this is the oil that come out of it. It looks kind of black. If you look on the bottom, you'll see a bunch of metal shavings. Hope you can see that fairly well. The black ring down here is actually metal fragments that drained out of the air compressor. You don't change your oil in your air compressor generally about once a month if you're like a roofing contractor. You're going to end up buying a new compressor because the metal fragments will continue to circulate through it. But once you've done the break-in procedure like I just described, you could probably run that same oil for up to a year, depending on how hard you push your machine. I know there's not a lot of videos out on taking care of compressors, and I just wanted to bring this product out to you. This is a 1 quart package, 20 weight and 40 weight. And this stuff I put in the freezer and it remains liquid at a very low temperature, unlike conventional oil. This one's the 40 weight because most of them pumps require 30 weight, and I don't want to use something lighter than what the manufacturer suggests. Take a moment. I'm going to put a link to my store where you can purchase the product, and have a good day.